In today's video, I will demonstrate how to view all your favorites on Instagram. If you want to see the list of people you have added as favorites on your Instagram account, follow these steps. Open the Instagram application. Click on your profile menu. Click on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and click on Favorites. You will now see a list of the people you have added to your favorites. If you want to remove any of them, simply click on Remove in front of their name. If you want to remove all of them at once, click on Remove All. You can also scroll down to add more people to your favorites. To do this, click on the plus button at the top right corner.